If Cache Giraffe opens normally but the chat feature stays blank, keeps loading, or never responds, the problem can be limited to the app session rather than your entire account. You can usually troubleshoot this by checking the connection, restarting Cache Giraffe, clearing its temporary data, and making sure the app is updated. Start with your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen Cache Giraffe. If the chat feature loads after changing networks, the original connection was likely interfering with the request. Next, completely close Cache Giraffe instead of leaving it running in the background. On Android, open recent apps and swipe Cache Giraffe away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe the app away. Then, launch it again. If the chat still does not load, check whether Cache Giraffe has an available update in Google Play or the App Store. An outdated app can have problems communicating with features that depend on current server-side services. On Android, clearing the app cache is another useful step. Open Settings. Go to Apps, select Cache Giraffe, open Storage or Storage and Cache, and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without intentionally deleting your account. On iPhone, there is no equivalent General Cache button for individual apps. Instead, you can close the app, restart the iPhone, and check for an available Cache Giraffe update. If the chat feature is still stuck, restart your phone. This can clear temporary system or network processes that survived after simply closing the app. There is one more thing to check before reinstalling anything. See whether other parts of Cache Giraffe are working. If games, rewards, or your account load normally, while only chat fails, that points toward a feature-specific problem. If the entire app is failing, focus on the connection, app installation, and device troubleshooting instead. Avoid clearing app data or uninstalling Cache Giraffe as your first step. Make sure your account information is accessible before using any option that could remove locally stored app data. So, the quickest order is simple. Change your connection, force close Cache Giraffe, check for updates, clear the Android cache if applicable, and restart your phone. If only chat remains broken after those steps, the issue may be on the service side rather than something you can fix from your device. Try those steps in that order before reinstalling the app. If this fixed your Cache Giraffe chat problem, like the video and subscribe for more Cache Giraffe troubleshooting guides.